Sure. My experience with JumpGrowth is not one where I found them. So I actually inherited them when I stepped into the CTO role at SindyXR. So, and as a CTO and coming in as a software engineer myself, the first thing I did was audit the existing system and architecture. But what I found was, pleasantly surprising. While we did have a number of digital properties that had all been developed by JumpGrowth, they were all high quality implementations. So for me, coming in as a CTO, that was amazing because it's less things I have to worry about, right? But despite this, there was still lots of work to do. At SindyXR, our goal was and continues to be to create a platform to get patients and healthcare providers together in between doctor's visits, right? That lull that happens between doctor's visits by using different communication modalities. So our ambition is to seamlessly integrate these communication modalities such as telehealth, virtual reality, and mobile into a singular platform. So for this, I needed to make sure that, JumpGrowth or whoever it was that we were going to work with to carry out this work was the right partners, right? We needed to make sure that they had a proven track record and not just the requisite expertise, but also be well-versed in up-and-coming technologies. So we did interview other development studios, but JumpGrowth always stood out, mostly because of their professionalism, right? Their depth of experience and keen insights, around emerging trends. They just checked off all the boxes. They were great. So JumpGrowth quickly, proved that they were the ideal development studio for us, right? Their engineers were knowledgeable and experienced. They did take the time to understand our vision, which at times, there were a lot of voices there. So they were phenomenal in being able to take essentially all those voices and translate it into technical requirements, right? So they provide a flexible, friendly, and highly collaborative environment, which I appreciated. One, it's friendly, right? And very collaborative. And this collaborative environment just allowed for exchanges, of ideas, as well as getting guidance from them about new and upcoming technologies. There were many times, as a software engineer myself, once you kind of sort of like move out of the engineering space and become more management, you kind of like lose touch with up and coming technologies from the hands-on experience. But so I would sometimes come to JumpGrowth, with an idea and approach for implementations, but they would suggest alternatives, right? And these alternatives always prove to be more robust, more cost effective while remaining true to our vision, right? So again, they utilize, more novel technologies. And this is pretty much constant, while I work with them. They consistently suggest great alternatives. They adapt to changes I've requested, and over the past 2 years in this particular role and the number of projects we've worked on, I've asked for many changes, and they've always acquiesced and they've always still managed to, deliver the project on time and on budget. Peace of mind, right? So being able to count on a good night's sleep, knowing that our products are functional and in alignment with our mission is just such an important benefit, right? We understood that our products were in capable hands and that JumpGrowth had the expertise to deal with any issues that could surface. Beyond that, JumpGrowth always delivered solutions, on schedule, and on budget. And this actually accelerated our time to market, as well as elevated the quality of our product, as well as and product experience. And this is great, right? We are in the healthcare space, so that product experience is of paramount importance. In addition, whether it was intended or not, another benefit, that has come from this relationship is that they boosted our operational efficiency, right? Because we're so confident in their abilities, we leave the development to them and we don't worry too much about it. This really frees my team up to focus on ideation and running our platform. Yeah, overall, my experience with Jump Growth just really has been exceptional, right? While I inherited this relationship, it was there before I joined SindyXR. They have truly earned my respect, right? I've been truly impressed with their professionalism, their technical expertise, and their commitment to our success. They've always been friendly and made themselves available to us when requested. Um, Quite honestly, there was never a time that I can think of that I've reached out to them and did not have an answer. Within 24 hours, rapid answer, could get them on the phone pretty much at any time I needed them. So they have been phenomenal in that regard. So what we've gotten from them is a partner that really goes above and beyond what is contractually required or expected of them. And everything we've accomplished together is just quite amazing. And it's extremely satisfying. I'm delighted with their team, their work, and our partnership.